Jamie, I'm interested to see what happens once we have this extradition hearing. When it's between states, there's often the opportunity for the defendant to, even when they go to the other location, to fight it, to argue that they should not have to be in that country or that state for those charges. We got the new word this week that he was going to challenge his extradition, and now it seems that because he is still going to be on his way, that's not going to come up. Do you think this due process issue is going to still be hashed out at all? Something that apparently behind closed doors, Dutch officials who talked to him convinced him that he did have rights that were violated.
You know, there will be those discussions, I suspect, on a very minimal level. You know, the fact that he's not a citizen of Peru is also a factor here. You know, I mean, they have him dead cold on the extortion and wire fraud charges. There's just no getting around it. Even if he had the right intentions, which doesn't appear to even be remotely the case, he committed these acts. You know, he accepted over $10,000. You know, through a wire, and he did it for the purpose of coercing people into giving him money because he said he had information. So he is dead cold guilty on these charges. I don't know if this family's ever going to see justice for the murder of their daughter, but at the end of the day, the extradition issues will procedurally work through the process, but I don't expect the Dutch government to put a lot of energy into this, and I do think that the U.S. Government will hold him accountable for the financial transactions that were illegal, and hopefully this family gets some justice on the overall issue as well.